Ready? Start. The court had expressed a view that since the raid/search was effected by the Assistant Superintendent of Police, there was no question of he being specially empowered by the state government to exercise powers covered by subclasses A to D. Full stop. It was also observed that the officers named therein wage district magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, taluka magistrate, or superintendent of police, or assistant or deputy superintendent of police are expressly been empowered to exercise powers under those clauses. Full stop. Since in these matters the raid was effected by Assistant Superintendent of Police, he had the powers under the raid could not be said to be illegal. Full stop. This is how this reference. Full stop. The High Court, after hearing the contentions of the council, said that there cannot be a dispute about the fact that the Gambling Act has been in force for more than a century and a quarter, and that it is in this context to its mind even a reference to the stand of the state government has some relevance, at least to demonstrate its understanding of the provision of section 6. Full stop. As can be seen, it is only when the state government wanted it has especially empowered the taluka magistrate and the assistant and deputy superintendent of police to issue a warrant for exercising the powers under subclasses A to D. Full stop. The parties have not pointed out any notification of the state government showing conferment of powers under clause 2nd to the district magistrate, subdivisional magistrate, and superintendent of police to themselves exercise the powers under subclause A to D. Full stop. All these notifications supra have been issued on the premise that these latter category of officers derive such powers to be exercised under subclasses A to D by virtue of the provision of clause 2nd of subsection 1 of section 6. Full stop. It is only when it was decided to empower these officers to issue warrant to the subordinates that these notifications have been issued. It noted. Full stop. The court further said that the consistent stand of the state government over a period of so many years and conspicuous absence of any government resolution to demonstrate otherwise, this circumstance of issuing notifications from time to time substantiates its interference. Full stop. Para. In the present case, the petitioner applied for the renewal of his driver's license after the expiry of 2 years. Full stop. He submitted that a conjoint reading of sections 9(3) and 15(4) of the Act.
अगर हमारा प्रयास आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। धन्यवाद।